Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. Hope you all are doing good. Let me share one technology related news which has been, really coming up in the market. Uh, there is a plan by Apple's vendor to shift production to India from China. In addition to Apple, Samsung Electronics will also be taking part in the government's drive to locally manufacture these mobile phones. This new facility is also expected to generate employment for around 55,000 Indian people over a year or so. So this is going to be a great news for all of us. And vendors are also expanding operations beyond phones to include tablets, computers, and laptops also later. So team, I would like to tell you that as we are growing, in as we are into this technical career, so it becomes very important for all of us to stay updated with the latest technology news every day. So without getting late, let us start today's session. So let me log in into this control room. So in today's session, we are going to see about a launch website operation. Launch website is a feature that is there into the control room. And this is a very important feature. If you see, it would allow you to launch the URL. So this is one of the feature within the Automation Anywhere tool itself, which is a part of a robotic process automation also. And in Selenium, we have got driver.get URL, right? So we type over there, something like this, uh, driver.get URL, and we create object of Chrome driver, Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, and we launch the website. Similarly, in Automation Anywhere, we have got launch website option in which we can launch or open URL in three of the browsers, basically Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome browser. And there is also one more option of launching the website into the default browser. It can be your Opera browser also. Now, let me create a bot and let me explain how it would work practically. So this is launch website option. Sorry, I am giving the bot name. Okay, now you can see the Boolean category over here. Okay. So don't get confused between this Boolean and browser. We have to go to the browser category. So this is the launch website option. You can see you just have to drag and drop, right? And let us say if we want to launch a URL of google.com. So let me go to the google.com. So what I would do is I would simply take this URL and I would put it over here and I would select option as Internet Explorer browser. So here are the multiple options that I was just mentioning up to you, right? And I would save it. See over here, it is written also. This command can be used to open website in browser. Okay, these are the various browsers which you can use. For now, let us save it into to run or to launch our website in Internet Explorer browser. Let me run this. So it is creating packages at the backend. Right? So it is downloading all the dependencies. So it is showing as of now, it is, yeah. So you can see the player got invoked, right? And it has opened the Internet Explorer browser and you can see the URL of Google getting launched over here. Similarly, you can also keep it as a default browser. Now in my machine, the default browser is Opera. So it would launch the website in the Opera browser. So let me run it. So it would start creating the packages at the backend, and it would deploy to my computer. The bot agent needs to be up and running during this time. The service of the bot agent in the services.msc, so over there it should be up and running. Okay, now it would open the player and it would launch the website of Google in Opera browser. See, this is Opera, right? So it says your bot has run successfully. Now you can also open the website using the another option that is there in application, which is open program file, right? So let me remove this from here, and let me explain you about this option. Now this is this becomes your interview question also. Open program file is allowed to open web as well as desktop application, right? You can write the URL of Google over here, and if you will save over here, so it would run and it would launch the browser, launch the google.com. Let me run it and show it to you. So this is open program file, right? So earlier I was showing it to you, that was launch website and the category was browser. This is open program file and the category is application. Let me run it. So using this open program file option, you can also open your desktop applications. So the player has invoked. See, it launched into the Opera browser. That was the default browser. So it will launch into your default browser. Over in the launch website option, you had the various options to select the browser also. So over here are few of the differences between the two options. In launch website, you can launch the website in IE, Google Chrome, Firefox browser, or one of your default browser also. Whereas in open program file command, you can launch the website. It would automatically launch in default browser only. Over here in the launch website option, you can only open websites or URLs. While for open program file option, it allows you to open desktop applications also or any other files also. Now this is the category. It resides in the category browser, whereas it resides in the category of application. Now let us further explore this option. Now over here, so you have to mention the exe file of the application of the software that you want to open. Now kelsey.exe is the executable file of calculator, and this is also a desktop based application. So now we will see how a desktop based application is getting launched. Now you can see the calculator is not opened anywhere as of now. It is closed. So we would see the calculator getting opened at the end of this execution. So you saw this calculator got opened, right? Now, if I put a wrong name of the application which I want to open, so it would give me an error message also at that time. So let me say now Kelsey1 is not any name of the application in the Windows, right? So let me run it. Now we are expecting the error message to come over here. I want to showcase to you one of the failure scenario. Right? It says action complete, but it is unsuccessful and it is not able to find kelsey1.exe, and that is right? So this bot execution turned into an error status because it could not find the kelsey1.exe executable file, and that is fine. We know the reason behind it because the name of the application which we want to launch is Kelsey. Now let us take one more example, that is Notepad. Right? Notepad.exe. Let us run it. So you can see the Notepad has opened. Right? So basically today we saw the launch website versus open program file option into the automation anywhere. So that's it guys from my side. Please practice this at your home to get more clarity. Looking forward for your queries in comment box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel within your network.